Hi guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. So today we have this Mercedes-Benz E350 key, not recognized, nothing is working. We pick up some faults right here for what we are facing. There you go. This is the electric steering lock has a malfunction. There is a mechanical fault. Code is 25407. It says it is okay. So this is current and stored, so we can do nothing regarding that. So as you can see, the EZS has the issue. That's a very common thing. So the electric steering lock has a malfunction. There is a mechanical fault. So we have to go and see what we can do about that. We were very lucky and we did unlock the steering wheel here. As you can see now, it's not locked. We'll leave the key right here. We disconnect the battery so it won't lock again. So we'll give it a wiggle on the steering wheel and we insert the key twice. The second time we were lucky and we unlocked it. So right now we're gonna pull out the locking mechanism, which is located underneath right here, on top of that actually. Okay, it is on top of this section right here. This is a keyless entry model and everything is electric. I mean, the adjustment, it is all electrical. So I'm gonna pull out the module and we will fix it.